Hey everybody, my name's Preston with Drift Hero USA, and today we're going to go over the assembly of the 500 watt electric dirt bike. All right, included with your machine comes all these tools necessary to assemble. All right, so for the first step, let's take it out of the box. Next step, we're going to start with the handlebars. We're going to put them in place, and we've got the little the brackets that we'll put on top. And with this, there's two sets of screws. One's a little bit longer than the other. We've got the key for the ignition, and you'll see where that goes when you're putting on the handlebars. The longer screws will go on the back. The shorter screws will go on the front. So we'll go ahead and do that now. It's important when you're tightening these down to do them not one side all at once. You'll do them simultaneously. So you'll do the front one a little bit, move to the back one, and so that it cinches down the handlebars evenly. Now that we've got those 4 bolts in place but not tight, we can move up the handlebars. You can position them how you'd like, center them on the forks as well, and then go ahead and proceed to tighten down. Before we put on the front tire and the front fender, we're going to go ahead and you've got a plug here. We're going to hook up the battery and plug it in. Here, you'll notice there's a little flap. We open this up and plug it in, just like that. Now we've got your front axle and the front tire. You've got 2 different spacers, so we'll go ahead and take the nut off. And you've got 2 different spacers. They're 2 different sizes. The bigger spacer is going to go on the side with the brake, the driver's left-hand side. So we'll go ahead and put those on now. Once we've got that on with the front tire and the axle, we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Now we'll put on the front fender and the number plate, and we'll start with the front fender. So we'll set this one aside. There's 3 screws here. We'll undo these 3 screws, and we'll put it on. For this next step, we're going to move to the rear shock. We've got a bolt with a flange on it, and then the nut, we're going to go ahead and put that in. Before we go out and ride, we're going to put the decals on and then get it all charged up, and we're ready to go. Now that the bike's looking good, we got to charge it up. We got your charger here for just a wall charger. This is going to go right into this little charging port. We're going to plug it in, charge it all the way up, and you're ready to go. And then we got a couple of different settings. So you've got this key down here. You can put it in low, medium, or high mode. And then you turn your ignition and you're ready to ride. All right, finally, now that we're all charged up and ready to go, you've got your 500 watt electric dirt bike ready to hit the road.